How to use Samsung Classroom app in class mode. Step 1. Login as a teacher. Login using teacher credentials, teacher name. Step 2. Create a course. Once logged in, you will see the main page. Click on Create Course in, add a course name. Optional, add a password for the course. Save the course. Step 3. Start the course. Click the Start option to begin the course. A dashboard will appear with list of students and actions that can be taken for managing the students. If you minimize this dashboard, you can manage the actions using a floating menu will appear on the right hand side of the screen. Step 4. Joining a course. A. Students will be able to view the available course and click Join button to enter a course. B. Students can also join the course by scanning the QR code of the course that is displayed on teacher's tablet. Teacher dashboard features. Create group. Create a student group to enable group actions such as lock screen, share screen, etc. Course files. Access course files from local folder. Share screen. Share teacher's screen with students. Lock. Lock all students or selected student. Remote start. Start apps and websites on student devices. Student monitor. Click on student icon to start student monitor. Floating menu features. Home, school icon, expand and collapse the floating menu. Course files. Access course files from local folder. Note tools. Open a widget to draw or annotate on the screen. And save and share to the student. Share screen. Share your screen with all students. Lock screen. Lock or unlock all student screens. Remote start. Launch any app or website on student tablets. Capture screen. Take a screenshot and send it to all students. Tools. Access additional menu options. Monitor students. View the online, offline status of all students. Click on a student's icon to view their screen. Blocked items. Set allowed apps for the course. All other apps will be blocked. Device controls. Disable home, recents, back, and power keys on student devices. Mute the volume key. Step 5. End the course. When the course is complete, you have the following options. End lessons only. Students return to the course listing page. Sign out all students. Students will be logged out of the app. Power off all devices. Requires a Samsung Premium license. Shut down all student devices. Delete private data. Erase all app data and course files from student devices. Youth filter. Ensure millions of inappropriate websites are blocked on the devices.